ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಭಾ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರಿನ ನಾನು ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯೆಯಾಗಿ ಚುನಾಯಿತಳಾದವಳಾಗಿ ಕಾನೂನು ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾದ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Kakkaragola, the place where it all began for Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun. Born on the 15th of March 1976 to Mrs. Girijamma and the late K.G. Parmeshwarappa in Kakkaragola, Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun completed the family as the cherished younger sibling of Mr. Prakash Gowda. Her parents' strong bond provided love and support, instilling the values of responsibility, hard work and discipline. Kakkaragola was not just a haven of affection, but a treasure trove of memories and tradition. The fields were her playground, the village her world. Given any opportunity, she would return, filling her days with adventure and the simple joys of rural life. Childhood bliss was found in moments with her cousins and grandparents. They swam in canals, climbed coconut trees, and learned from their grandfather as he solved local issues as a member of the Panchayat. These memories forged a lifelong bond with Kakkaragola. Nestled on the bank of twin rivers Tunga and Bhadra, twice blessed by the twin gods Hari and Hara, stands the magnificent Birla Industrial Complex. Kumarapatnam's stunning green expanses were a haven for peacocks that added to its natural beauty. Grasim was more than just a workplace. It was a thriving community. Families from different states came together, bringing with them their unique traditions, languages, and cuisines. As a young child, this was a kaleidoscope of experiences for her. Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun shared a special bond with her father, who would always sneak in extra packet of peanuts to their theatre outings, earning her the affectionate nickname Papa Ki Pari. Festivals were a vibrant year-round tradition, from the twinkling lamps of Deepavali to the merry carols of Christmas. She celebrated the rich tapestry of cultures around her. Every corner of the complex echoed with stories and songs, creating a cosmopolitan atmosphere that nurtured her respect for diversity. However, it was the Polyfiber CBSE school of Kumarapatnam that left an indelible mark on Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun's life. It was an epitome of discipline and excellence, encouraging a balance between academics and extracurricular activities. The motto was very clear: to inculcate good etiquettes and manners, punctuality, regularity, respect and obedience in every student. Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun found her voice in debates, her curiosity in science exhibitions, and her strength in sports. A natural learner, she possessed a remarkable ability to grasp new skills. Volleyball, for instance, was a breeze for her. What started out as a hobby led her to become the volleyball captain of her school. She was a regular participant in school dramas, and one of her most memorable roles was portraying the iconic freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. The healthy learning environment molded her character and paved the way for her to become the head girl of the school. Her participation in the National Cadet Corps shaped her into a compassionate and a socially responsible individual. Those memorable years were also marked by the cherished moments she spent with her friends. Back then, shopping trips were delightful adventures, culminating in the delicious treat of their favorite honey cake. Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun's exceptional academic achievements had secured her a place at a medical college in Gulbarga. Respecting her parents' wishes of staying closer to them, her life took a pivotal turn when she moved to Davangere and enrolled at the Bapuji Dental College and Hospital. A stellar student, she spent most of her time in the library, including Sundays. She innovatively involved her elder brother, an engineering student, in her studies to gain fresh insights. Known for her punctuality and her infectious smile, Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun garnered admiration from both students and faculty, forging deep connections with them. Her enduring passion for community service naturally inclined her to public health dentistry. As Dr. Prabha Malikarjun culminated her education, love knocked on her door in the form of a proposal from the esteemed Shamanuru family, seeking her hand in marriage for their son, Sri S.S. Malikarjun. Their engagement was a joyous celebration right here at the Bapuji Auditorium, the place we are all seated in at this very moment. They set the stage for their wonderful future together. The wedding beautifully combined both tradition and celebration, with each ritual deepening the bond between both families. Dr. Prabha Malikarjun settled into her new home effortlessly, thanks to her mother-in-law, Mrs. Parvatama, who was a confidant, friend, and a second mother, with great support from her sister-in-laws. The couple's journey unfolded as a harmonious blend of love, marriage, and the joyous arrival of 3 beautiful children. She was a pillar of support to her husband as a star campaigner for his dynamic political journey. She embraced a critical role in nurturing her children in every aspect of their lives and is fondly described as a kitty mother by them. Her children reignited her passion, sparking a renewed commitment to community service. They emboldened her to step out of her comfort zone and make a difference. Dr. Prabha Malikarjun played an active role in the Bapuji Educational Association as a governing council member. Her persistent efforts brought significant progress to the association by improving the standards of education. Motivated by the values of Dr. Shamnur Shivshankarappaji, Dr. Prabha Malikarjun was instrumental in establishing the SS Care Trust in 2019. The introduction of dialysis care services, along with a plethora of other medical services, addressed the need for affordable treatment options in Davangere and its surrounding areas. Since its inception, SS Care Trust has carried out over 16,000 dialysis cycles, provided free cataract surgeries, and organized specialized camps for rural communities. Promoting women's health, SS Care Trust offers breast and cervical cancer screenings. It places paramount importance on children's health, tackling malnutrition and anemia through nutritional interventions in Anganwadi centers. Dr. Prabha Malikarjun is a visionary leader. With a keen eye for detail and a commitment to excellence, she isn't one to delegate and disappear. She stood right alongside her students, burning the midnight oil to ensure that every idea was perfectly executed. Under her guidance, SS Care Trust remains committed to its vision of ensuring accessible and affordable healthcare for all those in need. From championing employment opportunities to igniting the spark of innovation with TED Talks, Yuvadhani, and Cancer College, Dr. Prabha Malikarjun's ceaseless efforts have changed countless lives. She has empowered communities and brought people together through several medical and cultural conferences. Fueled by unwavering determination and the support of the public, Dr. Prabha Malikarjun began a hopeful campaign. As she navigated interview sessions that lasted late into the night, followed by rallies at the crack of dawn, it was a testament to her unrelenting drive and tenacious resolve. Her efforts led her to a historic win, and her perseverance was finally rewarded. Dr. Prabha Malikarjun's story is one for the books. Her journey began in the small village of Kakargoda and was shaped by her time at Grasim. Meeting Sri S.S. Malikarjun added love and partnership to her story, creating a harmonious home. Her relentless commitment to making a difference in society has driven her political campaigns, and today she stands as a proud parliamentarian, working tirelessly to play her part in accelerating the nation's growth. Her achievements are a testament to the holy trifecta of hard work, family, and spirituality. Dr. Prabha Malikarjun's life is a symphony of dreams, realized through diligence, nurtured by love, and guided by spiritual wisdom.
We're proud of you, Ma. Don't worry about us and just be yourself wherever you are. We'll always be there to support you. Don't think too much about anything and always remember to take care of yourself first and then your responsibilities. Though we'll also always be there to humble you.
I still remember the times when, before you started with SS Care Trust, we used to just sit down, and you always felt like something was incomplete, and we always forced you to go ahead and do something. And for the first time, for a change, you listened to us, and here we are. So I think a little bit of the credit also goes to us. But jokes apart, uh, I feel very proud to see you here, Ma, and I know that you're capable of much more. And anyone I speak to has only good things to say about you, and I'm very proud of you. You are someone who holds all of us together, and you are someone because of whom like we actually speak like with each other, and
Yeah.
and go ahead and do
No,
and do
but-
much
yeah.
more, and we're always there to annoy you, to stress you out, but at the same time we love you the most, and we'll always support you in whatever decisions you take.
Congratulations, Prabha. The values and belief systems have brought you here. Will take you much ahead in life. Keep at it. Take care of your health. All the best.
ಪ್ರಭಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವ್ರ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕನಸನ್ನ ನನಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಈ ಮನೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮನೆ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಊರ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಊರಿನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇಶ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ದೇಶದ್ದು, ಹಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
Congratulations, Ma.
Hi Prabha, you haven't changed a bit. In fact, you have become more of yourself. You know, growing up, you have never ceased to amaze me by staying on top of our academics, being the guides ranger, being the volleyball captain, being the student leader, being part of all those cultural activities. But most importantly, it's your kindness, your humbleness, your hard work, your willingness to help others. I am not surprised how far you come, and I know you'll go a long way. I cannot tell you in words how proud I am of you. Please know that I'm always cheering for you, praying for you, and I wish you the very best.
Hi Prabha, I was ecstatic when I was asked to talk about you, and I became so nostalgic. But one thing was sure: whatever I want to speak for you and about you, it has to come from my heart. So I kept it as raw, unedited as possible. My memory goes back to the first time when I met you, the first day of our professional course, when you walked to me and then you introduced yourself to me, and then because your father and my uncle were colleagues, so then from then on, if you remember, you were wearing a pink suit that day with lots of flowers in the suit, and both of us went to JJMC JJMC anatomy department, and we bought skull for each other. I mean, we bought skull, paying 50 rupees each. So from that day onwards, our friendship just grows stronger and stronger every day.
I am filled with pride and joy as I congratulate my beloved wife, Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun, on her incredible achievement of becoming a member of Parliament. Your journey has been one of the perseverance, compassion, and excellence. I have seen firsthand and tireless efforts you put into everything you do, always striving to make a positive impact on the lives of those around you. This new role is a testament to your passion for public service and your desire to contribute to the betterment of our society. I have no doubt that you will continue to work tirelessly for the people, bringing about meaningful change and progress. I look forward to supporting you in this new chapter of your journey, and I witnessing the incredible contribution you will make as a parliamentarian.